Hello, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 22 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: known, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with known. Now swipe, pattern, pin, and in the end password. Let me set up pattern again, and then we can go to fingerprint ID. Let's enter fingerprint and simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the side of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. Last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply enter it and scan your face in this area. Now, when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.